On a single day, 8 different waves attacked the Richmar Gully, and all of them were unsuccessful because of the efforts and the courage which was laid by Lance Naik Karam Singh. Good evening, friends. When I talk about the courage by which soldiers fight, the valor they show on the battlefield, and the solidarity by which they fight for, we come across many names. In such names, there is a name known as Lance Naik Karam Singh. Lance Naik Karam Singh was the first living recipient of the Paramveer Chakra and was also awarded with the military medal before the independence. Today, I would like to talk about his journey in the Indian Army and why he was one of the most faithful soldiers of the Indian Army. Talking about his initial days, Lance Naik Karam Singh was commissioned into the army in 1941 and was commissioned into the 1st Battalion of the 1 Sikh Regiment. In 1944, under the leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose, Free Indian Army attacked British Army alongside Japan, and Lance Naik Karam Singh was the part of the 43,000 soldiers. He fought braverously, for which he was awarded the military medal later on. In 1947, Lance Naik Karam Singh was one of the 5 soldiers who raised the Indian flag on the Red Fort and who was selected by our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Till this date, Lance Naik Karam Singh was known for his bravery, but that was not all. The best was yet to come in the Indo-Pakistan War 1947-48. In this war, India won, but this war was not possible without the efforts of men like Karam Singh. Lance Naik Karam Singh was the commander of 1 Sikh regiment and captured a lot of villages on the line of control in 1947. One such village was Titwal village. In 13th October 1948, Pakistan desperately wanted to recapture the Titwal village, especially the southernmost part, which was known as the Richmar Gully, on which 1 Sikh regiment was present under the leadership of Lance Naik Karam Singh. On a single day, 8 different waves attacked the Richmar Gully, and all of them were unsuccessful because of the efforts and the courage which was laid by Lance Naik Karam Singh. In these 8 waves, all the communication centers, all the bunkers were destroyed by the Pakistani army, but that didn't break the spirit of Lance Naik Karam Singh, and he stood his foot on the Richmar Gully and fought fearlessly. In the 5th wave, 2 of the Pakistani soldiers came up close and Lance Naik Karam Singh killed and demoralized the Pakistani army. Another 3 waves were unsuccessful, and at the end, Pakistani army were forced to go back and were unable to capture the Richmar Gully. All these 8 attacks were unsuccessful, and Lance Naik Karam Singh was wounded twice and was out of ammunition and fought braverously with the help of grenades. In 1950, 21st June, he was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, and he was the first recipient of the Paramveer Chakra. He is one of the 21 recipients of PVC, and he is known for his bravery. His statue was inaugurated in Sangrur, his village, and was also inaugurated in the War Memorial of New Delhi. At the end, I would like to say he is an example of bravery, and nothing could subdue him, and no amount of fire or hardship could break his spirit in the end. Thank you.